Alright YouTube, it's Christmas time and I'm hungry. So insert crappy Christmas music right now. That's the white boy shuffle. Alright guys, we're gonna make us some Christmas cookies. In order to have good Christmas cookies, you have to have chocolate chips. And my recipe only calls for a cup and a half. But you don't get this by following recipes with the good stuff, right? So this is about 2 cups, and we're gonna have to cold smoke these, right? So come on over towards the smoker, because we gotta take this redneck candle and we gotta light ourselves a cold smoker up. Come on over. All right, YouTube family, we got the ballast cold smoke generator on this BFG running. We're gonna put in our chocolate chips, let them get all nice and smoky. And we'll be right back in like 30 minutes. We're gonna let these sit. That ballast cold smoke generator, that's it right there, man. That's it without the fans on, right? So let's get these out of there. They've been in there for quite a while. They're nicely cold smoked. For these cookies that we're about ready to make, we gotta get this grill up to 325 or so. Here in a second, some of that's gonna clear out. For now, we're gonna have to start adding stuff, right? So we're gonna put the vanillas actually last, so hold on here. We're gonna go ahead, put our molasses in our pot. Look at it, cold as molasses. It's cold outside, so it needs some help coming out. Guys, who thought you'd be making cookies in your backyard? Huh, jeez, all right. So molasses, almost all the way out of there. They weren't lying. Molasses don't like to come out of these jars, do it? No, sir. Alright. Molasses tastes pretty good. Alright, that's the molasses. I got these eggs here, right? I'm just going to pour them in there. I'm doing all my wets, basically. Get my wets done. Alright. I got my salt. I'm going to have to mash this salt in a little bit. It's alright, we'll get it going. You know, a whole cup of butter my salted butter. A whole cup of butter really is just 2 sticks, right? I'm going to add my salt next. Here goes my salt. You know what, I'm going to throw in the baking powder too, just real quick. And then we're going to mix this up. I'm going to fast forward through some of this mixing though. You don't need to watch all that. Just put that in there for now. Gotta get this softened up. Soften up that butter. Alright. Here comes the fun part. It's the flour. Alright? You only want to add a little bit of flour at a time. Alright? Just a little bit. Here goes my favorite part, right? And it is adding some chocolate chips to the mix. And again, these chocolate chips, they were cold smoked, baby. Cold smoked chocolate chips are the best chocolate chips. And you gotta do these by hand. You can't use that mixer anymore. Alright? This is gonna take a little while. So I'll probably fast forward through this too. Alright, let me clean up some of this mess. And then we're going to put these out on trays. And we're going to get them into that smoker. Alright? Alright, Facebook. I got my half pans. I'm going to line it with parchment paper. Actually, it's getting pretty well covered with parchment paper. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to put little dabs of cookie dough on my paper. Here goes Santa's cookie. Santa, a big boy. Santa like large cookies. Alright YouTube, I got Santa's cookie ready to go. I got my smoker set. It's at 325, alright? Oh my goodness. The recipe says these need to sit in there for about 10 to 15 minutes. This one probably need to sit in there for about 20 minutes. That's alright though. We'll be back. Have fun. What's up? I need to clean up this mess. Now I clean up a mess. Jessica! Alright guys, This is where our cookies turned out. They're not perfectly circled because they were all touching because I put them too close together. But these are your backyard Christmas cookies. And let me tell you what. Oh, God, boy. You gotta get you some of these standards, boy. All of them. Yeah, boy. Standard approved.